Hi viewers, welcome to Fred Dairy Channel, Dairy Farm Channel, and today this is what I've been doing. As I told you guys that I'm constructing a heifer shed so that I can accommodate the growing numbers of heifers in the farm. So what I did compared to the first shed that I was building, for those who have not watched the video, this one I started with these poles. Yeah, I dig a hole and I put those poles, but for this one I started with only the foundation and then I put, but this one I want to eliminate the mistakes that I made from this, and I'll be making this. So the first thing that I've done is putting on poles, as you can see, with the required measurement for the cubicles and for the working area. So this is the working area, yeah, where this is where they will be studying, and I am putting on stones, as you can see, because we have two types. We can have concrete and we can put on stones. We can lay stones and then you put on cement here, yeah, at the center, at the gap. You leave gaps, but not so big gaps. You see the small gaps. I'm going to be putting on small stones, particles of stones, and then so that I can conserve cement and sand, I'm going to be putting a retro bit, yeah. But this I want to make it a strong. I totally want to eliminate the mistake that I made from this cow shed. So this one I'm doing like this. So I've used this tree is termite can take long for it to be eaten by termites. Yeah, and I also, as you can see, I put on polythene papers at the bottom so that water and termites could not. So it will withstand for a period of time. Yeah. So this is what I've been doing today, and I've been aided by this string. You see this string? This works wonders because it is giving you the exact location or the exact place where you should put the stones and all that. So this is what I've been doing. So what I'm remaining with is the drainage. I wanted the drainage to go there because manure I'll be putting there. Yeah, so the drainage, a little bit of drainage there. And make sure that there is slope. You see, there must be a slope going this way. Yeah, so that when they urinate, all the urine will come to the drainage, and then go outside. Yeah, and make sure the poles and the measurement are good. So this is the cubicle 1, 2, and cubicle 3. So also I'm going to be putting iron sheet on top. Yeah, even here I'll be putting a little bit of iron sheet, as you can see. Like for example, this one, this is a feeding area. I'm putting iron sheet on the top. The purpose of those iron sheet when you are feeding is it prevent from if it rains and you have fodder in your fodder trays, it won't get spoiled, get molds, yeah, all those. And you'll also be protecting cow from extreme sunlight or rain, so that it can be eating. So this is what I've been doing, guys, and I'll be doing this retro by retro. So the main thing of uploading this video is to encourage anybody who wants to venture into dairy farming and you don't have all resources. You can use, like, these are not new stones. Yeah, this was my previous cow shed. Yeah, so I remained with some stone. These you can see there, those ones are the ones I'm using. So trees, if you have trees in your home, you can cut, or you can even buy these. They are not expensive, but for my case, these I cut in my farm. So the expense is a bit lower concerning instead of buying. Yeah, so the cost will come me when I'll be buying the iron sheet, but I told you guys you don't have to go fast. Yeah, very fast. Slowly by slowly, keep on improving each and every day. So today I'll make sure that I'm done with all this. So when I get money, I buy iron sheet. So I'll be putting, even if it is one iron sheet, 2 iron sheet, there is no hurry, but just make sure that you go with your pace. Yeah, do not go and take long to make construction, because it won't pay. When you take a run where you guarantee that it will pay itself. Yeah. So this is, I'm going to straw by straw, and I make sure that I have completed the entire shed. So I'll be buying iron sheets. I'll be buying some bags of cement, and like 5 tons of dust mixed with sand, river sand, so that they can mix very well. Yeah. And then I'm also going to buy the feeding troughs and the water troughs. These plastic containers. You can, yeah, those Juakari men, they sell those two. Even if you go online, you can find those people who are selling. But for me, I don't buy in bulk. I buy just one. When I get money, I buy 1, 2, just like that. So there's no hurry. Everything will go. If I finished these, even this one I'll finish. I believe so. So believe in yourself. Work toward that goal. Work toward improving yourself each and every day. And remember what we said about herds increasing. Yeah. When you are making a shed, make sure that you are building a shed having in mind that your herd will be increasing with time. So you must be very, very keen when you are building, especially those who are building permanent shed. You have to go with that in mind. Make sure that you extend, you build something that will accommodate the growing herd with time. Yeah. So that is it, guys. Just if you are new to dairy farming, or you want to start a dairy farming, don't be given that pressure of going to take loans, build your cow shed with concrete and metals. No, just use the available resources that you have in your area or in your home, and you start small. Yeah, you start small, you keep on growing. And also, you can do it yourself. This one I'm doing it on my own. There is no fundi around or that. It is me. If you believe in something, you do research on it, ask those people who do it, you will get an idea, and once you utilize it, you will understand there is no big difference between you and other fundis. All what will be required, all what you are doing is you are just trying to reduce the cost. Yeah, the cost of making these cow shed. Yeah. So you too can do it. Believe in yourself, work on it. Yeah, you can do it. I am doing it, and as you are seeing this, I'm doing it. You too can do it. Yeah, all you need is you need the string for keeping everything on the right track. You need a hammer, you need saw, you need all those needed. But by the way, in a farm, you ought to have bought all these. Yeah, when you're starting a farm, you need all those tools needed for carpentry, for masonry. In case of anything, you'll be doing it on your own. Or if you don't want to buy it, you can lease, or you can leasing. Is when we say leasing, it's like when you have a construction, you go to a fundi and you tell him or her, I want to borrow your tools for a day, and I bring them back. And it is working, guys. Yeah, it is working. You also need a foot. Yeah, this for measuring. Yeah, you ought to know the measurement. Like now, for cubicle, you have to know the length should be 7 foot. Yeah, that is for the width. It has to be 120, just 120 inches. All that, once you understand all these, you'll be on a better side. So guys, I'll be updating you on the progress of the cow shed for those who are following me, and for those who didn't watch for this cow shed, I made video on it, but I was doing daily. Even this one, I try my best. I'll show you even the complete, and when I'll be putting on the heifers here, and let's hope for everything will be good. Yeah, the point is, start small, grow with time. Start small but think big. Yeah, think big, and run from the lessons. You can't run from success. Learn from the mistakes that you have made, and you move on. Yeah, once you run from those mistakes, you keep on going, and you one day, one time, you will define your own success. Yeah, but just be yourself. Do not copy paste what others are doing. Just be yourself. uh, Make as many mistakes as you can. Make as many mistakes as you can when it comes to dairy farming, because once you make a mistake, you learn it. You learn from that. And mistakes, some mistakes are very expensive, but they are worth uh, going through, because the experience and the lesson that you gain from it is far much more than the regret you could have made later. Yeah. So that is it. Those are cubicles where I will be stripping, but I'll be updating you guys on each and every step that I will be taking. Yeah. And the measurements that I will be that I've used. And yeah, that is it. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, please do so. If the video or the teaching that I giving, they are adding value to you. And if you are active subscriber to my channel, thank you. You are the reason as to why that I keep on making these videos, so that we can enrich each and other with the correct information. And yeah, that is it. So have a wonderful time. See you in the next video.